Hello friends, welcome to my channel FinTech Logics. So today we will talk about the JLG loan process. Now I have already given an overview of JLG. If you have not seen that, I would provide the link here. Please have a look. Now without wasting time, let's begin the topic of our discussion, which is about what is the process of JLG loans. Now here in this simplified diagram, I have tried to give a comparative picture of the normal loan originations and servicing. So only few of the details would vary. The green section is loan originations and the below gray section is servicing. So let's start with our first step, which is our create lead. Now, as we talked about before, this works through a DSA or direct sales agent, who is somebody that knows all the members in the group. So normally DSAs would be already in contact with the lenders. So they come to lenders with a proposal that, okay, probably there are around 7-8 people in my community who need different types of loans. So that is the first process of lead generation, where the process actually starts. Now once the lead is received by the lender, a group is created. So normally this is created in system with all the members' basic details, and an eligibility check is done to understand or to identify if JLG loan can be extended to the group, because we know that JLG loan has some eligibility criterion of close proximity, even similar economic state. So that is why a basic eligibility check is done to understand that if JLG loan can be extended to the entire group. And as per that, we move to the second process, where an application is filed. Normally this application is filed by the DSA for all the members, because he knows all the members and the basic details can be also captured. The document collection is done after the application is being filed, and the necessary data enrichment like your PAN details, other details are also captured, and their subsequent details are also fetched and put in the system. Now once application is done, document collection and data enrichment is done, verification is done to validate if all the details are correct or not. In case of older DSAs, this DSAs older, when I mean older in system, that means they would have a history of working with the lender for some time. So in that case, DSA only does all the verification. Otherwise, the verification of the details, address check, identity check, etc., can be done by a separate field investigator also. Now once the verification is done, the entire underwriting is done on the group, taking all the members, as we told that this is a group lending. If the underwriting is successful, then a sanction is given that, okay, loan can be extended to the members of the group. Fraud check is done, and there is creation of a contract unlike any other loan cycle. Now one process is unique to JLG here is community meetings, which you would see it here, community meetings. So community meetings are normally done to empower or to tell members about the responsibilities of the group, that okay, if one member delays or defaults, how the other members can also be penalized by not getting additional credit. So all those discussions are done in this community meeting to make all the members aware about the terms and conditions. Once it is done, a disbursement is made to individual members, and then the normal cycle flows of accruals and collections. Now, periodically there is community review which is done to check if all the loans are being collected correctly. In this case, there might be chances of additional top-up loans, or you're reviewing your interest rates. Normally that happens, does not happen in the first loan cycle, it happens in the extended loans cases. So community review is done, and rest on is your additional loan servicing. If any change of bank account, change of form, anything is required, those things are also done. Now, on a periodic basis, the JLG group which is created is scored, that means evaluated in terms of the performance of collections and all, and the group score is updated. This becomes handy in case the group comes for a second loan or a top-up loan. In that case, this group score comes handy in case of limiting your credit checks and probably giving bigger ticket size loans with more attractive interest rate. Now, once your loan payments are closed, it goes for a payoff process and account closure. So basically, if you see from starting to end, this is just like a normal loan origination servicing process with few intricacies of your group formation, your group evaluation, your community reviews, and your group scoring. Otherwise, the process is very simple, unlike any other loans. Thanks a lot for watching my video, viewers. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks a lot.